Which dissolves a solute faster, an acid, base, or neutral solvent?
This is our hypothesis and expectations. The more acidic the solvent is, the faster the solute will dissolve. The solute will dissolve slower in a base solvent than in an acidic solvent. The solute will dissolve the slowest in a neutral solvent.
Changing pH of a solution. By changing the pH of a solution, you can change the state of a solute. pH of a solution is such that a particle molecule carries no net electric charge. The pH of an aqueous solution can affect the solubility of a solute. And by changing the pH of the solution, you can change the charge star of the solute. The solute often has a minimal solubility and precipitates out of the solution.
These are our materials. You need 3 sets of 10 grams of sugar, 60 milliliters of vinegar, which is an acid, 60 milliliters of bleach, which is a base, and 60 milliliters of water, which is neutral. You also need 3 beakers and 3 stirrers, and a timer and a balance.
To do this experiment, you need to gather the materials. Get 3 beakers and fill each with 60 milliliters of bleach, vinegar, and water. Get 10 grams of sugar. Put 10 grams of sugar into 60 milliliters of bleach, stir at a rate of 2 stirs per second until the sugar is fully dissolved, and record time. Put 10 grams of sugar into 60 milliliters of vinegar and stir at a rate of 2 stirs per second until the sugar is fully dissolved, and record the time. The last step is to put 10 grams of sugar into 60 milliliters of water and stir at a rate of 2 stirs per second until the sugar is fully dissolved.
It took 88 seconds for sugar to dissolve in water with a pH of 7, which is neutral. It took 108 seconds for sugar to dissolve in vinegar with a pH of 2, which is an acid. It took 157 seconds for sugar to dissolve in bleach with a pH of 13, which is a base.
To sum it up, we found that sugar dissolves faster in a neutral solution. Also, the more acidic a pH solution, the faster the solute dissolves. The less acidic pH solution, the slower the solute dissolves. And a solute dissolves faster in a neutral pH solution than in a base or an acidic solution.
Our conclusions are not in agreement with our hypothesis. The experiment proved a neutral solvent to dissolve a solute the fastest and a base solvent the slowest.